guys! Welcome to our vlog. So it's me, Nikki.
It's me, Marian.
And we're here again for another vlog. So magmukbang pala kami ng at ito Choco Ice Cream. Yan po yung mukbang namin ngayon. And wala po ngayon ang aming tita. Kasi may ginagawa siya na work. Busy kasi siya ngayon. Kaya kami na lang dalawa.
Meron siyang trabaho.
She have a work and it's me and Nikki and Marian yung mag-vlog ngayon. Okay, we're going to eat now. We're back. We're going to eat now. Okay, ito pala yung choco. Ayan. Choco. Ang sarap ito. Ito yung choco niya. Masarap talaga niya guys. And please like and subscribe to our video. Yes. Sobrang sarap. Pala lang po.
Bye.
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 Thanks for watching to our channel and please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Ang pangalan po kaya ng aming YouTube ay Del Net and Mari channel. Bye!
Bye.